Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have more goodies to review. So thanks again. You may be familiar, Jowua, who's sent me quite a few things in the past. They've got a couple of new items that they wanted to send me, or not necessarily new, but new for me. So first things first, this is the microfiber cleaning cloth 3-pack. Perfect to wash your car and I guess wipe around, especially with these white seats. So you do get 3 in here. There's one 150 by 53 centimeter, one 16 by 26, and one 32 by 26. Supposedly leaves no lint, and double-sided short velvet to prevent particle gravel, and there's a seamless design. So it comes in, I guess, a sealed bag. And you can see a bit of the name etched over here, and yeah, it doesn't feel, I've got a bit of rough hands, and it doesn't feel like it's holding on to any of my skin. So we'll have to wash the car sometime soon, as we've neglected the car. I'll keep you guys posted in terms of how that goes. We'll put that one aside. The next one that we've got over here is the Glovebox Hook. Where's the camera? There it is. Glovebox Hook. So I'll open that up and I'll show you guys, and then we'll get it installed quickly to see how it goes. It doesn't specifically say how much weight it can potentially hold. All it states is it's durable stainless steel and food grade silicone, and it does come in a pack of 2, so that's how it looks like there. And so you can see over here you've got that rubber insert bit, and also in here, so it doesn't scratch the car. So you've got 2 of those hooks, so you can most likely hook them on in the car. And yeah, so I'll swing the camera around and hopefully you can see. So we've got the glove box here, excuse a bit of that glare, and then I presume we put that just there like that, and then you should be able to close it, and there you go. So I'll see if I can take a photo just to do a quick overlay just without the glare, but it seems pretty sturdy. It doesn't look like it's going to go anywhere. If you do pull it forward, you can hear that rattle, but it's not going to move left or right. So that's that. Alright, so the next couple of items, we've got quite a few boxes here. These ones here are all of the car fragrance for Tesla. So let's see some of the notes. Specifically designed to fit in the front air vent, plant-based, essential oil, alcohol-free, compliant with international professional safety certifications, aluminium alloy housing with shock absorbing silicone for stable noise-free travel, lasts up to 30 days per refill tablet. And I've got a couple of the refill tablets over here. If there's one in particular you guys want to know about how it smells, let me know. I'll make sure I take note of giving you guys the update sometime in the future. But the smells that we have, there is a craft your own, which I'm not too sure what that's supposed to mean. There is a morning dew, there is a dance with elegance, and there is a classic. So I think we'll open up the classic, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Don't have my handy knife here with me today, so we'll just have to rip into the box. So as you rip in, that's what you guys see, the instructions, and then that's the actual item there. So installation instructions. Step 1, open aroma stick container, place the aroma stick in the container, screw it back, and then place logo facing upwards on the air vent. Okay, so that's the item there. Oh, I spoke too soon. There is, even though I said I'll open the classic, there is already a couple of forest breeze scents that they have already got here. So forest breeze, top note citrus, sinensis peel, lavandula, middle note, majorana flower, piper. There, I'm going to butcher these words, so how about I just take a photo of what's contained in there and I'll put it up here instead of butchering those words. So let's open up this one. Smells very fragrant. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so opening this up. No, that's not a... Oh, yep, of course we're going to catch that as a blooper. That's popped out, so that's what it looks like. Just drop that in there. And it's no twist, so it just comes off. And so, yeah, there you have it. It's just a hexagon. So really, we'll just put it on, it says, on the air vent. And hopefully that is all we need to do. There is a bit of, I'll show you guys actually, bit of rubber bit on this end here and on this end here. So what that means is it's not going to move anyway. So I'll leave that there, keep you guys posted. My finger smells like that now. I don't know what to describe, but again, you should have seen already the ingredients, and I'll keep you guys posted on how that goes. So I've got quite a few scents there. And the last one that I'm probably most excited about is this one here. So this is the 100 watt car charger. And the reason why I'm so excited about this one is because these days, a lot of laptops, when you charge, they will need a minimum of 60 to 65 watts. And as you know, I had the hub over here that supposedly does 27 watts. Now, I haven't tried and confirmed or validated if it is 27 watts, but what I do know is I've got another laptop that usually takes at least 60 watts, and with the plugged in whilst I'm using the laptop, it doesn't charge at all. I have turned off the laptop before and then used the 27 watt charger, and it has charged over a long period of time, but it won't essentially charge while I'm using it. And so I've got my MacBook here as well today that we are going to test and see if we do end up hitting the 100, or at least close to there, because I don't know specifically how much power it is. I'm pretty sure the brick that it comes with was 90 watts. Anyways, once we open it up, this is essentially what you guys see. And it looks really, really, really nice. So, of course, feels like premium grade, and this is rubber, or something that feels like rubber. And then it's got USB-A and a USB power delivery. So, what we're going to do is we're going to plug it in, and we are actually going to test the power. So, I've got somewhere here a USB-C cable, and I'm going to have to put the chair back so I can bring out my laptop. Alright, so alright, let me just turn up the brightness. And what we're going to do first, just as a quick measure of test, is I'm going to plug the Jowua hub in. So I'll bring you guys around to show what I'm doing. So this is the hub that I've previously done a video on, and we're going to plug that in to a USB-C port over this side, and then I'll show you guys over here. So I don't know if you can see that properly, but over here it says battery info, and when we click that, you can see here power adapter says 27 watts. And if you can't see that, I'll see when I edit it, I may put a picture over overlay if that's the case, but 27 watts is the power based on that, so that's correct. So we're going to unplug that, and then just going to pause the video so I can plug this in, and I'll show you guys the speed. Alright, so we're about to plug it in. So over here is above the armrest, there's a port here that you can see, there's a flap you open up. I've plugged in the USB port first, the USB-C port, just so that it makes my life easier. Then we will push that in. That looks like it's tight. And then look here, so hopefully you can see that it's saying not connected just above where it says power adapter. And I am about to plug it in. 3, 2, 1. And it says power adapter 60 watts. So that's potentially most likely on the laptop side the maximum it can take from the USB-C port, potentially. I'm actually not too sure, but at least you know that you'll get the full 60 watts from this laptop charge, and most likely for other ones as well. So I presume that whilst it does have 100, it's potentially for maybe other devices that it can push out a bit more power, or that fact that it actually gets split between USB-A and USB-C. Either way, that covers all the accessories. Thanks again, Jowua, for sending the accessories over through to me. I can keep you guys posted if there's anything further you guys want to know as I do use it. Yeah, don't forget, if you do want to buy any of these stuff or any other items on the store, you do get 5% off using the code word ZAPPED. And yeah, that's about it. I don't have any other accessories yet for the time being, but if there is something that you guys want to see, I may potentially reach out to those companies, buy it, and see how we go. Otherwise, hope you guys are well, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.